What's up, guys? Is it raining again? You guys out here staying dry? Well, look who's not. I'll get him on camera. Tell you, my silly monkeys love to come out here and play in the rain. I'm just an old fogey, so I stay in here where it's dry. I'm gonna get under the tree. I'm gonna sneak up on them. They don't know I'm here. When they come out, every time it rains, they come out here. Well, not every time, but most times. Look at that. You guys playing in the rain again?
Yeah, honey.
Huh?
We're trying to how to fly a parachute. We're playing zombie apocalypse.
Zombie apocalypse?
Yeah, we just jumped out the plane.
Oh, that's why you had parachutes?
Okay. You are awesome.
Look at this. Ah, I'm gonna get wet. I got house slippers on. House slippers and socks like the old man I am. Look at this. Water running down the driveway. You guys are nuts. Every time it rains, you guys come out here. You're supposed to stay inside like me where it's dry.
What now, monkey boy? Are did
Did you survive the zombie apocalypse?
we survive the zombie apocalypse? We need weapons. Okay, here's our weapon.
You want to use that as a weapon? Look who's coming to play with you guys.
There are zombies, honey.
Those are the zombies?
Yeah,
No. Silly. Don't throw slippers at our chicken, silly.
Let me see how good. Let me see how good this slipper is.
Okay. Hey, honey, play that game you guys played in the Philippines where you use slippers, remember?
Yeah.
I'm going to show Daniel how to do that. Buddy, do you remember that game?
No, I think I see.
I think you need more slippers, huh?
Yeah, we need more slippers. Like per person, 2 slippers.
2 sleepers.
Oh,
That's a nice one, buddy.
monkey boy, can you do this?
Do it again, honey. That took talent. I want to see that. Do it. Come on, you're talented.
You clap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
See?
Home run!
Home run. Good job.
Superstar.
Superstar. Smell your armpits.
I call this the no looker catcher.
Maybe you should look. Try it again.
Okay, maybe I should do this. Or this. Han,
Huh?
if you want foot massage,
Yeah? I always want a foot massage. You gonna give me a foot massage?
and this is good to have foot massage.
Oh, you mean by walking barefooted in the gravel?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you meant you was gonna give me one of those wonderful foot massages you give me when I say my feet hurt.
There's a secret part about this.
What, buddy?
I slid.
Yeah, you slid, huh? And this is exactly why I'm not gonna fix this water hole here, this mud hole. I'm not gonna put a pipe there and let this drain when it rains
I want to see how it feels.
until he outgrows doing that, and I hope he never does.
Okay. How it feels? It feels weird.
All right, hope you guys enjoyed my beautiful bride and darling son playing in the rain. I'm gonna get inside and get dry. We'll see you next time.